He's coming.
Listen and repeat.
When I was a kid, it's just my favorite place in the whole world.
When I was a kid, this used to be my favorite place in the whole world.
Did you walk around up here pretending you were a warrior prince?
Did you walk around up here pretending you were a warrior prince? Pretending means acting or playing role. Example, she's pretending to be sick to stay home from school. A warrior means fighter or soldier. Example, she's a warrior for women's rights.
Even nicked the sword from one of the exhibits. Weighed a ton.
Even nicked a sword from one of the exhibits with a ton. Nicked means stolen or taken. Example, my bike was nicked from the parking. Sword is a type of weapon. Example, Arya Stark picks up the sword called needle. Exhibits, items on display in museum. Example, the museum has a fascinating exhibit on ancient Egypt. Weighed is a measured. Example, she weighed the bag of flour.
Oh, I think this would still be my favorite spot.
I think this would still be my favorite spot.
That's because you haven't been anywhere.
Oh,
That's because you haven't been anywhere.
so where's better than this then?
So where's better than this then?
Paris. Sitting outside a cafe with a strong coffee and warm croissant with unsalted butter and strawberry jam.
Paris. Sitting outside a cafe with a strong coffee and warm croissant with an unsalted butter and a strawberry jam.
But so let's go. We could get on the Eurostar right now.
So let's go. We could get on the Eurostar right now. Eurostar is a high-speed train that connects London to Paris and other European cities. Example, I'm taking the Eurostar to Paris tomorrow.
Nah,
But you just said.
you don't get it, Clark.
No, but you just said. You don't get it, Clark.
I want to be in Paris as me. The old me.
I want to be in Paris as me, the old me,
With pretty French girls giving me the eye.
with pretty French girls giving me the eye.
Could be something to look forward to.
Could be something to look forward to.
If I shut my eyes now, I know exactly how it feels to be in that little square.
If I shut my eyes now, I know exactly how it feels to be in that little square.
I remember every sensation.
I remember every sensation.
I don't want those memories erased by the struggle to fit behind the table.
I don't want those memories erased by the struggle to fit behind a table. Erased, the act of removing. Example, the hacker erased all the files from the computer. Struggle means effort. Example, the team struggled to win the game. Fit means suits. Example, this shirt fits me perfectly.
The taxi drivers who refused to take me.
The taxi drivers who refuse to take me. Refuse. This means to decline to accept. Example, I refuse to give up.
And my wheelchair power pack that won't charge in a French socket.
And my wheelchair power pack that won't charge in a French socket. Wheelchair power pack. And this was our journey today. And don't forget to keep learning, keep exploring, and keep speaking English until we meet again. Bye!